For most of my life, I've been on a quest to discover just who I might be, earnestly searching, day after day, so desperate to recognize me. I felt moments of utter fulfillment, and moments I couldn't go on, but I knew for the sake of my heart and my soul, to succeed, I would have to be strong. But the people around me seemed so lost themselves, that I feared I might be on my own. But then there'd be someone who would reach out and help, and remind me I wasn't alone. I've wanted so much to be happy, to know what it was to feel peace. And I thought if I finally felt sure of myself, then the pain and the struggles would cease. But I've learned that this journey is endless. The discoveries are fresh every day. And no matter how much I might know of myself, there'll be times I will still lose my way. And as I've grown older, I truly believe I may never know all I can be, but the answers are not waiting out in the world, but have always laid right inside me. We're all on this quest to discover ourselves, together but through our own ways, overcoming whatever might get in our paths, so we can feel better someday. But always remember not to stray far from what matters and what's really true. In this life, you don't have to be perfect. In the end, you just have to be you.